Welcome to our latest video. Are you in the market for cleaning tools but don't want to break the bank? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to save money on cleaning tools without sacrificing quality. First things first, assess your cleaning needs. Think about the surfaces you have to clean and the type of dirt you'll encounter. This will help you determine what tools you need versus what you want. Once you know what cleaning tools you need, start researching and comparing prices. You can find great deals online and in-store, especially during sales events and holidays. To save money and space, consider buying multi-purpose cleaning tools. For instance, a handheld steamer can be used to clean floors, walls, and windows. Instead of buying expensive cleaning solutions, make your own. All you need is basic household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. You'll save money and have a healthier home. Last but not least, clean and maintain your cleaning tools regularly. This will help them last longer and perform better, saving you money in the long run.